what's up? It's Dominique. Welcome back to today's video. Today I'm going to be doing a full face of makeup using only HAUS LABS products. HAUS LABS is Lady Gaga's makeup brand, and you know Lady Gaga is my queen. So I have some high hopes for these products. Some of these products I've used before, and some of these are brand new. So I'm so excited to create a full face of makeup today using only HAUS LABS products because I love HAUS LABS. And before we get into the video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you love Lady Gaga just like me. Leave a comment down below if you've tried out HAUS LABS before. And of course, as always, don't forget to subscribe so that we can become besties. Alright, enough of me rambling, and let's get into the video using all HAUS LABS makeup. Alright, let's go! The first HAUS LABS product that I'm going to be using today are these high power pigment paints. I have two of these and I love them so much. This is in the shade Magenta Shimmer and this is in the shade Rose Gold Shimmer. They also have matte versions of the paint along with their shimmer and metallics as well. So what it is, it's a liquid eyeshadow that dries down completely and it doesn't budge and it stays on all day long. Here's a swatch of the Rose Gold Shimmer. It does not budge. These paints are $24 each. I'm going to be boring and basic and I'm going to use the Rose Gold Shimmer because apparently you're not supposed to use this one specifically on the eye. It has to do with some of the pigments inside this product. But this is a clean brand, so these are all clean products as well. So with the Rose Gold Shimmer, I'm just going to put a little on the back of my hand and then I'm just going to use a flat eyeshadow brush and I'm going to apply it all over this cut crease. The good thing about these is that they're very pigmented and they don't dry down right away. So you have some time to work with them. So it's really easy to blend out. And the good thing is that when they actually do dry down, they don't go anywhere. I love getting hit in the face with my earrings. And I'm also noticing that it layers really well. The more that I put on, the more it's not caking and crumbling, which sometimes I find in a liquid eyeshadow it happens, but this, it's not doing that. So obviously I'm obsessed. I finished up the eye look with some wing eyeliner and some lashes, and the eyeliner applied beautifully on top of this once it was dried down. So far I'm really loving these pigment paints. Now moving on to the HAUS LABS foundation. This is my all-time favorite foundation formula ever. I have the shade 200 Light Medium Neutral. The packaging of the foundation itself is pretty cute. It feels heavy, so that automatically means that it feels luxury. It has some frosted glass and their iconic H on the lid. I just love how this foundation wears throughout the day. When I take it off, I still love how it looks after a full day of wearing it. The way this foundation just adapts to your skin and it dries down and it moves with it. It really becomes one with your skin. It has a medium coverage with a natural finish. And it's also $45, and it's worth all $45 because that's how obsessed I am with this. I love this so much that if they ever change a formula, I will literally be distraught. It's truly so beautiful, and I have dry skin, and it works perfectly for me. Honestly, Lady Gaga is literally my mom. She raised me as a kid. I loved all of her songs and her music videos. She had me dancing to Judas in my room on full blast as like an 11-year-old. I loved her so much that I just wanted to be her as a kid. So I will always have a soft place in my heart for HAUS LABS, but I was not expecting Lady Gaga to create a foundation that would become my all-time favorite. It's kind of random, so I'm pleasantly surprised. You can't tell me this doesn't look flawless because it really is just beautiful. So the next step in my routine would be concealer, but HAUS LABS does not have a concealer yet, which I'm gonna need Miss Gaga to get on that as soon as possible because I know that I would love the concealer if I love the foundation this much. So whenever that comes out, I'll be the first one in line to pick that up. So I'm just gonna apply a random concealer. So the next HAUS LABS product that I have is their translucent setting powder. And I really love how their branding is just on point. You can tell that these two products belong together because they have the same little lid. So that's how you know HAUS LABS really got their branding together with that rebrand. I would hope. I mean, that's what a rebrand is for. This is a talc-free setting powder. All of HAUS LABS products are clean, by the way. I will say that the one thing that I don't like about this product is this net covering the powder. It makes it really difficult to get a lot of product out. The powder comes out, don't get me wrong, but it's just not a lot. So as someone who uses a lot of powder, I'm like, I might actually cut this one day once it annoys me that much. But I'm just gonna set my whole face with this. And this costs $38 at Sephora. Honestly, I'm very picky when it comes to my powders, so I already know it's gonna be hard to really please me with this. But I will say it's mattifying my foundation beautifully. It's not causing any cakiness or separation. HAUS LABS also has 5 shades of this powder, so if you feel like the translucent one is too light for you, you have your options, which is essential when you come out with a powder, in my opinion that is. So here's the powder all on, and I will say that I don't hate it. I actually think that it set my face pretty well, and it does look quite beautiful. So I'd say that this powder is actually pretty nice. I'm not mad at it, and I probably will use it again after I cut that little net out. That net has got to go. But other than that, my foundation looks beautiful. Next up, we got the HAUS LABS bronzing powder, and this is in the shade Medium Level 5. You can see that I use her quite a bit. To me, this is a really good bronzer. I love the shade. It blends like a dream, and it really gets me right every single time. This is also $38 at Sephora, and there's a total of 12 shades, so it's really nice that you have your options. This is a total win for me. I use it all the time. I really like it. I love how it blends. I love the shade. This product is an absolute yes. Next up, we got the HAUS LABS blush, and when HAUS LABS dropped these products, ooh, I bought this literally the day that it came out because I loved the shade so much, and I already knew that this was going to be a fire product. I mean, when I saw this shade, I had to have it. It just spoke to my soul. This is in the shade Dragon Fruit Daze, and it really is just the most beautiful cool pink. This is my favorite cool pink blush that I have, over the Dior blush and the Patrick Ta She's a Doll blush. This one definitely has my heart, forever and ever, and I want every single shade of the HAUS LABS blush. And funny enough, they actually just released a lavender shade of this today, and I think I need to buy it immediately because a lavender shade of this blush, I already know it's going to be amazing. And like I said, HAUS LABS kills it with their branding. These two products just look like they belong together. It's literally the exact same packaging, just different colors, and I love it because it looks like a little complete set. Time for the best part. I really just love HAUS LABS and their makeup. I think when they rebranded and reformulated all their products to go clean, they really focused on quality, and I'm obsessed. And of course, it's Lady Gaga, so I'm already obsessed. But then the products are amazing. On top of that, sign me up. I want every product. Do you just see how pigmented and soft this blush is? It's so good. It blends out so easy, and it really just looks beautiful on the skin as well. It pairs beautifully with the powder, the foundation, and the bronzer. I sure hope it would, because these are all HAUS LABS products, so they better be working together, because if they're not working together, then I've got no faith. And of course, as always, I can't forget some blush on my nose. So cute. Now I'm going to fill in my eyebrows with a little brow pencil. This is in the shade Medium Brown, and it's a super thin pencil. I'm just going to do some flicks of the wrist to help fill it in. The tip has not broke yet, so that's a really good sign. I hate eyebrow pencils when the tip breaks. It's super pigmented. It's really easy to work with. I feel like I kind of like it. I need to get my eyebrows done so bad right now. They're so fluffy, and when they're so fluffy, it's hard to not make them really large because they're naturally really large. The pencil still hasn't broke yet, so that's a really good sign. I'm really happy about that. The shade is really nice as well, so I actually really do like this brow pencil. The spoolie on the other end is really nice too. It's getting all my hairs and putting them right in place. This pencil is $22 at Sephora. I'm just adding some brow gel, and I think that my brows look really good, so I love that. Moving on to my favorite HAUS LABS products. These are their eyeliners. These are so good. Oh my god. If I recommend one product besides the foundation to you, it's these. These were my first HAUS LABS love. Specifically this white eyeliner. If you ever see me wear white eyeliner in the waterline, it's HAUS LABS. I've tried many white liners, and this one is by far the most pigmented and most creamy, and it stays on all day. I'm just going to finish up the lower lash line and then pop the white into the crease. These are $22 at Sephora, and this is in the shade White Onyx. It's just so beautiful and natural natural, and it just brightens up your eyes in such a beautiful natural way. And it's gonna stay like this all day too. Just trust me on these. I love them so much. My eyes are looking so cute. I just lined my lips real fast, and now I'm going to apply the HAUS Labs lip crayon. This is in the shade Blush Matte, and this is also $22 at Sephora. I'm very intrigued because it's a lip crayon. Packaging is super cute, 10 out of 10. I love this. And it rolls up right here. Here's what the shade looks like. It's super creamy. It's not really full coverage either, which I would have wanted it to be full coverage. It feels really good. It looks really good. I just wish there was a little bit more pigment. But I'm gonna top the lip combo off with the HAUS Labs lip oil in the shade Tint. And baby, if you want a lip oil, do not get the Dior lip oil. Get the HAUS Labs lip oil. This is $24 and it actually has so much pigment while still being a lip oil and still being sheer. It will tint your lips this beautiful pink. It's gonna change this lip combo for sure to be a little bit more pink, but it's so comfortable on the lips. It feels so good. Not sticky, very buttery and smooth. It's definitely my favorite lip oil formula. 10 out of 10 would recommend. My coworkers at Sephora all love this one as well. When someone comes in with pink lips, we're like, are you wearing the HAUS Labs lip oil? And they're like, you know I am. And I'm like, I see you. I see you. Alright, last and final product is the HAUS Labs highlighter. This is $40 at Sephora, and I have the shade Sunstone, which is this beautiful light gold highlight. I mean, look at the print on that powder. It's gorgeous, and the holographic packaging is so beautiful in my opinion. I love this. And it all matches the rest of her powders. I'm obsessed. I'm just gonna apply a little to my cheeks, and look at that. Instant beauty. It's so good. I love the shade and how it looks. On the skin, it does not look powdery at all. It looks like the most beautiful glow on your cheeks, and I really do like this highlighter a lot. It's good at being a natural highlighter without being too obnoxious too. Yes, I really do love this one. I mean, baby, she got me right. She got me right. I look like I am wet. I look like a glazed donut, and I'm not mad at it. I love it. So yeah, you can never go wrong with a beautiful highlight. And baby, HAUS Labs did their thing with these products. I truly am impressed. I am feeling beautiful. I'm looking good. I love everything that I used today for the most part. Yep. HAUS Labs is that girl, and so is Miss Gaga, because we already know she's the queen, and she knows how to make some beautiful makeup products, that's for sure. Here is today's finished makeup look using all HAUS Labs products. I'm obsessed. What more can I say? I feel beautiful, I feel snatched, I feel like I look so good. I mean, we were already off to an amazing start, because this HAUS Labs foundation is my all-time favorite. Nothing can compete with this. Nothing. The blush and bronzer are my next favorite products from HAUS Labs, along with the highlight and the lip oil. Oh my gosh, and don't forget these eyeliners. I'm obsessed with these. These are too good. They are my favorite eyeliners ever. They are good. Seriously, I'm not kidding. They're amazing. I would say my least favorite product was this lip crayon. I just wish that they were a little bit more pigmented, but if that's the look that you're looking for, then you will love these. They feel beautiful on the lips. Don't get me wrong. It's just that I wish it was a little bit more full coverage and instantly pigmented, you know? I felt like I kind of had to build it up. Maybe it's because I have a really light shade, who knows? But I truly love all these products, and I had so much fun making this video today and doing a full face of HAUS Labs makeup. I'm obsessed with Lady Gaga and her makeup brand, HAUS Labs. So I knew this was going to be a good one. Thank you so much for watching. I had so much fun chatting about makeup with you today, and I can't wait to be back next week with a brand new video. And before you go, make sure to like this video, leave a comment about what your favorite HAUS Labs product is. And of course, as always, don't forget to subscribe so that we can become besties. And that's it. I will see you next week with a brand new video. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.